him play.
And this is Buddy in full form. See, he really is a dog. And eventually, Roscoe will be on the bottom.
Yes.
There we go. There we go. Get up, Buddy. Get him.
Get him, buddy, get him.
Get him, buddy. Him and his buddy Roscoe. They're having a fabulous time. And it just kind of goes on from there. Oh, Buddy's dead. Oh, well. Oh, he's been felled. Oh, there he goes. You got a second wind. Get him, Buddy. Get him, Buddy.
Get him. Break time.
Here's Crackers being the referee. Very good. She's very good at that. Get him, Buddy.
Go get him, buddy.
The Clash of the Titans.